Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Mohammed Lee and you are watching my YouTube channel Hunt Burst TV. So today I catch a crow. This bird is very clever and this bird is the favorite food of goshawk. You can easily catch this bird crow, but now is the egg laying season of these birds and the hunting season of all the birds is about to end. We request you to free all the migratory birds you have, and this bird is native birds of Pakistan. This bird is available everywhere. You can catch it easily. This bird species is very common in Pakistan. Mostly they go out in the morning to eat and then come back in the evening. They spend the whole day searching for food. And thank you very much.